There are no less than 5 rail routes between Glasgow and Edinburgh, nowadays all electrified. The first to be electrified was the route from Glasgow Central via Carstairs. The most recent runs via Shotts, which we'll be taking later. 3 of the routes emanate from Glasgow Queen Street, one running via Airdrie and Bathgate, another running via Cumbernauld, and finally the fastest, which we are now taking, running via Falkirk High.
The next train to depart from Falkirk will be in 14:30.
We can follow the progress of our train, 1 Romeo 22, from the signaller's point of view. Departing from platform 3, almost immediately our train begins a 1 in 45 climb up the Cowlairs incline, most of which is in tunnel. One in 45 is considered to be pretty severe, even today. So from the start, rope haulage was used. The Class 385s have a driver advisory system designed to aid efficiency, as well as reminding drivers of the maximum speed limits. This is Bishopbriggs. Opened with the line in 1842, it's served by half-hourly trains to Stirling, with some continuing to Alloa. Scott can now accelerate to the maximum line speed of 100 miles an hour. For one of the hourly semi-fast services to Glasgow Central, only calling at Haymarket, Livingston South, West Calder, Shotts and Bells Hill. We arrived on platform 10 from Queen Street, and now we're departing from platform 10 for Glasgow Central. The station building at Shotts has an unusual flat-roofed addition to the first floor, looking like a former signal box, though the station had a conventional box beyond the platform that was switched out in 1978. The station still has a staff presence on weekday mornings. Posters on the platform advertise the arrival of the new trains with their increased comfort over the diesels. The former mining and ironworks town, with a population of just under 9,000, had its peak in the 1930s, with no less than 22 coal mines in the area. Northfield Colliery, the last of these, closed in July 1961. There was also a station here at Larkfield until 1907. On either side of the London-bound Pendolino, old bridge abutments used to carry the tracks of the Glasgow Barrhead and Neilston line from a terminus at Glasgow Southside. It also carried the parallel tracks of a line to Gorbals of 1876, which became part of the Glasgow and South Western 20 years later. There was another station here at Eglinton Street. It was opened by the Caledonian in 1879 when the line was extended across the Clyde.